When you work with Guidant, you're not just getting basic 401k administration. You're getting a full ROBS compliance package. We've bundled all the essential pieces to protect your retirement plan and funds. And here's how it works. First, it's important to know that while a 401k plan doesn't pay taxes, it still has to file an annual return with both the IRS and the Department of Labor, and that's where things can get complex. Each year, there's a checklist of tasks that needs to be completed. You must collect and report information on all employees of the company. You must account for every dollar that goes in and out of the 401k, which you can think of as bookkeeping for your retirement plan. You have to value all of the assets in the plan. You have to run 3 mandatory tests: an eligibility test, a discrimination test, and a top-heavy test. These tests ensure employees are properly included in or opted out of the plan, and that owners or highly paid employees aren't receiving unfair benefits. If any of these tests fail, more work must be done to adjust contribution or deferral amounts so the plan can pass. You also must file a Form 5500, which is essentially the tax return for your 401k plan. And finally, you must review the plan to make sure it complies with all the current regulations. That includes a full update of your plan documents every 6 years to reflect any recent legislative or regulatory changes. And that's just the baseline you need for your 401k plan. Guidant includes all of that, but goes beyond that with services specifically tailored for ROBS clients, which include an annual business value report. We provide an estimated business value that values the stock held by the retirement plan. This meets the IRS guidelines while saving you thousands of dollars you would have spent on a full business appraisal. A ROBS compliance review. Each year, we send a detailed report highlighting any potential risks or corrections needed. ERISA attorney referrals. If we identify issues in your compliance review, we cover the cost for you to meet with a specialized ERISA attorney to work through them proactively. And audit protection. If you're audited, we cover the cost of attorneys who specialize in ROBS and IRS tax litigation to represent you. With audits costing up to $50,000, we take on that financial burden because protecting your retirement funds is our top priority. It's one of the ways we back our commitment to your success. Most of this happens behind the scenes, so it's not uncommon for clients to wonder, what am I paying for? The truth is, the better we're doing our job in the background, the less time you have to spend on paperwork and compliance, and the more time you can focus on your business. Our job is complex but clear: to protect your retirement funds, minimize your administrative burden, and give you the freedom to focus on what matters most, building a thriving business that helps you create the life you've always envisioned. Our team is here to help. If you would like to learn more about whether or not ROBS is right for you, please visit our website at www.guidantfinancial.com. That's GUIDANT financial.com, or give us a call at 425-289-3200.